Hello my friends, it's a beautiful Monday afternoon, May the 17th, 2021. I'm just out here watching the bees on the cherry blossoms. A bunch of my honeybees and a few big bumblebees are on here too. There's quite a few of them. I really enjoy this plant. Some Sakura, or however you say it, some cherry blossoms for the bees. But yeah, everything's turning green. It's a beautiful day. It's thunderstorms in the forecast, but before it rains I'm out here trying to get a few things done, and I just noticed this and thought I'd make a quick video of it. Just the ornamental cherry tree. I don't even think it makes cherries. It makes beautiful blossoms, and the bees love it, both the honeybees and wild bees. So it's definitely nice to have in your yard. Should maybe plant another one down the other side of the house by my honeybees and the apple trees and such. These bloom early, so it'd be nice to have. But yeah, this is a quick look, some bees on the cherry blossoms. Thought it was a beautiful sight to behold, so thought I'd share it with you. But yeah, talk to you later my friends. Hope you're all doing well, wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.